Good morning to all of you out there, all my friends out there. I hope you can see this big smile on my face because this morning I've woken up with inspiration. I've just thought of a fantastic idea to make money for myself. I'm sorry, what I mean is to help all of you in this time of COVID. So I'll be very brief and I'll explain to you how this is going to work for all of you. The thing is that because of COVID, we are seeing that people have lost jobs and they are struggling to make ends meet. So I've come up with this idea to help everybody. So what we are going to do is we are going to change our profession, and let me explain that to you. Whatever you do today, you're a mechanic or you're a cleaner or you're working in a garage or whatever, you're a farmer, you can change and have this new job which is going to really help you. Let me explain very quickly. I'll show you my cup, my cup. Can you see it's written RF? RF. RF does not mean Roger Federer, the tennis player. This means Reverend Father. RF, Reverend Father. Because last night I was ordained by one of my friends. I mean, by one of the churches here in Paris, and so I've officially become a part-time priest. I mean, it's not a full-time engagement, but it's a part-time engagement to make money. I mean, to help others. So what I'm proposing very briefly is that you are going to change your professions for whatever you're doing today, whatever it may be. Don't worry about it because COVID-19 has blocked all your careers. You are changing your career now, and you are going to become priests like me, part-time priests. So it's very simple. What I'm going to do is that I will give you my bank account number, and the first step is to transfer $3,000, just a small sum of $3,000 directly into my account. And for that $3,000, what do you get in return? That's the question people ask when they dish out money. So what you're going to get is, I'll just show you what I have here. You will get a robe, a priest robe like this, and a cross. These are the two things you're going to get for $3,000. And not only that, this is just to get you in the right equipment to start to do your job. But for the $3,000, it's not only this that you get. For the $3,000, you will be able to, once you've paid the money and it has been credited in my account, you will have access to me via my Skype account number, which I'll be sending to you as soon as your money comes into my account, so that I'm available to guide you. If you have any questions about being a priest, how you're going to operate and all that, I will be available 24 hours a day at your side to guide you. In case you have a part of the people who you are trying to convince you are difficult to convince, I'll talk to them directly. Also, I will advise you how to go step by step into convincing people to give you money. Now, one of the things why people will give you money is because one of the schemes, one of the guidelines, one of the ways you have to move is, generally what happens is families, they contribute, they do a monthly contribution to their churches. What we are going to do, we are going to give everybody 50% discount. That means if that family is used to giving $1,000 every month to church, we are giving them a 50% discount. So they will get those services that the church gives them, and even more personalized services based on their needs from us. So this is where the families are going to benefit. You are going to benefit. I'll just get a small amount to cover the cost of the costume, the priest costume and the cross, because these things are not cheap. They are made in China. They cost quite a bit of money. I don't want to specify how much it's going to cost me, but $3,000 covers all this, my friends. So, in fact, I have to stop calling you my friends now. I should call you my brothers and my sisters, because this is the first idea I had this morning, and I'm feeling very happy because I just feel we are all going to benefit from this. You see, my existence on this earth is just to help people. Can't you see that I'm a do-gooder? When I was born, the first time I was born in hospital. Instead of just drinking in my mother's milk, I was looking around to see if the other babies have got enough milk, because if they didn't have enough milk, I would have told my mother, just feed those other babies first before me, because I like putting people before myself. That's why you see, once you send this $3,000, there's no other expenses, and the robe and the cross will be sent to you by air mail. You will get it within let's say 3 months. You will have it in your hand. 3 months after, your money comes into my account. So you see, this is a win-win proposition. You can't go wrong. Imagine, as a priest, you make money everywhere. Somebody dies, you go there, you pray, you make money. Somebody is born, a baby is born, you go there for the child. When the child is born, you say a prayer, you make money. The child is christened, you make money. There's no way you can lose. There's no way. Can you see, guys? So please, let's get moving. Don't waste any time. Just remember my account number. You can communicate with me directly by YouTube, and if you are interested, obviously you're interested. Don't tell me that there's anybody out there who's not going to jump at this opportunity. My account number, my secretary will give you. He's available on 0800 160 161 162. Very easy number to remember. Just call. My secretary is waiting for your calls. He'll give you my private bank account number, and just do those transfers as fast as possible, guys, before this idea goes out of my head, because I'm one of these guys. I'm very inspired on certain days, and tomorrow I might lose this inspiration. So please move and get that money across to me, and then you will be started within 3 months. You're off on a new career where you'll be making money, and you'll be putting money aside for the future, for your children, your grandchildren, and everyone. I hope it's very clear to you how we are going to work, and you have understood this is all for your benefit. What am I getting out of it? That measly $3,000. What's $3,000 today? So I'm wishing you all a great day, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.